The point is, if you are in a no profit, if you haven't got to where your plan dictates where your exit's going to be, then you stay with the trade. People are always searching for, oh, well, there was a shooting star candlestick reversal, so I had to come out. And they're always looking for reasons to jump the gun and come out. And that's what he was doing. So I said that one of the arresting mechanisms you can use in self-talk language is to say, I can't afford to bank this profit right now.
Love that.
If you start using that sort of language, I can't afford to do this. Yes, I might be £100 up, £200 up, £20,000 up. I can't afford to bank the profit because if I come out now, it's not going to pay for enough of the losers and give me the overall profit that I should be doing. Yeah, stick to the plan.
And it's that idea of you're having that self-talk at the point where you're most vulnerable, because it's very easy to project the positives of the potential trade prior to placing it. But once you're in the trade, then the risk is actually happening. It's real. You've got price action, you've got your result moving higher, moving lower, you're seeing your profit go up, you're seeing your profit go down. So that's the bit. He's already sounding like somebody who's very results orientated, simply because he's starting with 3%.
Yeah.
But he's obviously in that vulnerable spot. And I think if more traders were aware of how their thought process is when they're in the trade, they'd be more aware of the fact that they need things like a self-talk mechanism or something that they can use that means that they stick to the rules. Because all traders know they need to stick to their rules.
Yeah.
But it's in the moment when you're seeing something technical. If I had £1 for every trader that gave me a technical reason that was nothing to do with their plan, like a shooting star or something like that, but use that as a reason to move out of their trade.
Yeah.
And that's the challenge, is the chart will always give you, nearly always give you a reason to get out of your trade, but it's not the chart, it's your fear or it's your greed that's making you do that.
And I think one final point on this chat, because that's why they do it. They risk more because I've got £5,000 account, I want to get to £10,000 as soon as I can, and then but they're not ready for that. They're not ready. They're not experienced enough for that. See your trading, again, for these people who are, getting into trading, into their first year of trading, see it as a long-term endeavor and forget your results. That's what I said to him. I said, forget your results for the year, and your goal right now is to be the best trader you can be. Forget the end result of what your performance may or may not be. All you've got to focus on is trying to be the best at executing and following your plan. Because if you do that, the actual physical result will take care of itself.